Let's look at an example. If the cost of 12 pence is rupees 72, find the cost of 15 pence. Solution. Here, two variables are the cost and number of pence. That is pence and rupees cost. Two variables are there. So let's write this question in tabular form. Number of pence and cost. Number of pence is 12, then it costs rupees 72. And find the cost. We need to find the cost. So what of 15 pence? This is the question. This type of question can be solved in different ways. Let me solve it first by just the help of language, just using purely unitary method. So we need to find out cost, so we have to write cost on the right hand side. It means 12 pence cost rupees 72. Then we have to make here 1 pen, because this is a problem related to unitary method and we need to calculate, we need to find the value of 1 first. So 1 pen. Now we need to understand whether number of pens and cost are directly related or indirectly related. If more pens, we have to pay more. It means more pens cost more. Less pens, few number of pens cost less. So it means number of pens and cost are directly related. Directly related means whatever operation we do on the one variable, same operation should be done on the another variable. Here we got 1. How this 1 comes? This 1 comes by dividing this 12 by 12. It means 12, the first number divided by 12 itself. Then we got 1. It means we divided here by 12. So here the cost also needs to be divided by 12. So 1 pen cost rupees 72 divided by 12. And after getting the value of 1, after getting the cost of 1, we need to find the cost of 15 pence. So now we need to change this 1 to 15. 15 pence. So how this 15 comes here? From 1. It was 1 before, we are multiplying by 15 and we are getting 15 here. So it means basically we multiplied here by 15. So we need to multiply here as well by 15. So 15 pence cost rupees. We can cancel it here only or we can cancel in this step. 72 divided by 12 multiplied by 15 equals 12 can cancel 72, 12 1 times, 12 6 times. Then 15 6 times 90, the unit is rupees 90. Therefore, the cost of 15 pence is rupees 90. That's the answer. This is one way. Let me demonstrate this question, this solution by another method. That may be quite tricky but very simple. On the another method, we use the method of ratio. While using method of ratio, whatever variable, whatever value of variable we need to calculate, we suppose that any unknown. So we can suppose here x. Let whatever value we need to find out, we suppose that be any variable, say x. Then we already discussed that number of pens and cost are directly related. Directly related means number of pens and cost are directly proportional. Directly proportional means if we take the ratio of these two numbers in this order, we have to take the ratio of cost in the same order, the respective values in respective position. That is direct. If we follow here this arrow this way, then here also we need to follow this way. We need to follow same directions. What does this mean? This means ratios of these two variables, these two values will be equal to ratios of these two values. Since the number of pens and the cost are directly proportional or directly related, their ratios. 12 divided by 15, it means the ratio of these two values must be equal to 12 is first written here, so its respective value 72 comes first, divided by x, that we need to find out. Then when two fractions are equal, when two ratios are equal, we can cross multiply. Their cross products will be equal. It means 12 times x, 12 times x equals 72 times 15. This means x equals 72 times 15 divided by 12 equals, now we are getting the same as previous one. 12 one times, 12 six times, then 15 six times, rupees is not here, 90. It means the value of x is 90 and x is cost, so the unit of this x is rupees. So therefore the cost of 15 pence is rupees 90. So we are getting the same answer by using different methods. Any method